bit of space at the top. See how I'm doing the directions? And then we do a line down the middle. This one's going on YouTube, you guys. So when I'm doing the circle, I sketch it a little bit and then I rotate my paper. And I'm using a series of sketch lines to make this circle.
You should have mentioned it.
Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to draw some lines coming down here. These are coming straight down. These are coming straight down. Now, we need to determine how long the face is going to be. Of course, down here would be too long, right here. Let me readjust this. So I'm going to say right about there. So I'm drawing this line right here that I'm drawing across is going to be where my chin ends. I always tend to draw my lines kind of crooked. Okay, so this is going to be the chin. You don't need to write that on there, but I'm just...
You got a ruler?
I do. Hold on. Let me pause. Okay, so this is coming down on the side. It's right about here that this is going to start curving in. Now chances are I'm making my head too wide anyway. And then I'm coming in and then curve down even more. Now if it were a human male, the jaw or the chin is going to be wider. If it's a female, it might be skinnier. It's never a point. If you're making it into a point, then you're most likely drawing an alien. Okay. So right about here from the top of the head to the bottom chin, halfway, do a line across. That's going to be where the eyes are. It looks strange, I know. It looks strange. But yes, some people have bigger foreheads than others, but this part right here is the very tip top of your head. So your hairline is going to come down lower. Alright, so from here to here, halfway is right about there. Drawing a line going across. And that's going to be where your nose is. Yeah. And then halfway between here and here, yep, you guessed it, it's going to be the line for the mouth. So you don't want to draw those really dark because we will be erasing all of these things. Okay. So also, so from the center point to the side, halfway. And that's meant to be like where the center of our eyes are. But the cool thing is it also lines up with the corners of our mouth.